Kids Wonderland. So again, my name is Regina and I'm currently working as an English instructor or teacher here in Japan for about 10 years now. So today will be our classroom is the dialogue inside our classroom. Every time they come here, we can say welcome, just like this teacher is saying here as an example. Welcome, and then hello, please come in. We always practice that, and then they say as well, the students will respond to you, hello. Our classroom dialogue, usually the popular one are okay, you're welcome, and thank you, the most important phrases in English. And of course, never forget, please. So come, let's learn together in a fun way and in very meaningful way. So see you again to my next upload videos. Goodbye!